Friends, let me show you this new set of 4 Candies mechanical pencils. They are 0.9 millimeters, the lids. They come with erasers, extra lids, and 4 pencils. Let me show you. I like to write a lot with mechanical pencils. You get the 4 pencils. They are 2 silver color and 2 more gray color. Okay, so you get 2 and 2. They are nicely sized. They are 0.9 millimeters, as I told you. You get a basic eraser in the top part, as always. And the set comes with 3 extra large erasers. You get extra pencil erasers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 extra small erasers, the 3 large ones. And each of the mechanical pencils have their own already installed small eraser there. You get 8 replacement packs, 2, 4, 6, 8, of 60 extra lids each. So you get like 480 extra replacement lids. And you will put the lids in your mechanical pencil, getting the eraser out. And you can put the lids inside through the eraser hole. And there you get the lid. So you put it, I like to use it short. You can also load the lid through the point to the end point. Open it like this and just put it in. That's it. Now you are able to write. I like the feel, I like the size, the weight. And I really like the 0.9 millimeters width of the lid, so the lines are more visible. And you can bring it with you in your shirt's pocket. They look nice. They are really, really nice. I like them, and I will have them two in my home, two in my office. Thanks.